Hey guys, it's my Marina, and this week's theme on my adventures is what do I do on a Sunday? I actually have some visitors who are going to help me, my mom and my sister.
Hi everyone.
My sister's crazy. Okay, moving on. So we don't basically do this, but we basically do this on rainy weathers. So right now it's 2 o'clock. It's like 3:35, and right now we're just watching a movie. Sunday, 2016. Yeah. Wow, it's already 2016. Okay, so we're watching The Reef, and after this, we're just. Mom, what are we going to do?
Good question. I think we're just going to stay here until it's dinner time.
Okay, so we're
Then we're going to have dinner and not do much at all.
Okay, so that's what we're going. So that's what we're going to do. Yep. If you want to see a bit of the movie, then here's the movie. There's our TV.
Nice and big.
It's a pretty good movie. Yeah. So I already introduced that.
It's a rainy day.
And here's our rainy day. You probably didn't get to see it, but hopefully you did. It is bucketing. It's like, you're bucketing down.
Tell us down below what you do on a rainy day.
And thanks for watching my video with my parents. And comment down below what you do on a rainy day. Bye guys. Comment down below. Mom, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye guys.